Make sure the light source head aligned to the slots of the handpiece. Push gently until there is a click sound, which indicates that the installation is complete. The light source head can be 360 degrees rotated without being taken off. Install protective light shield gently into handpiece. Plug them together. Press on-off switch to turn on the device. Press setting key to select the function mode. There are 6 built-in function programs, namely M0, M1, M2, RAMP, pulse and detect. M0 mode. Long press S to enter the light intensity setting menu. Short press S to select different power intensity, including 1000, 1500, 2300 milliwatts per square centimeter. Select 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter. Long press S to enter curing time setting menu. Press S to select curing time, including 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. Press on-off switch to save the setting. RAMP mode. Light intensity 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter, and it cannot be adjusted. Long press S to enter curing time setting menu. Press S to select curing time. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Press on-off switch to save the setting. The light intensity gradually increases to 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter in 5 seconds. And then keep the output 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter steadily. This mode can improve the edge strength and mechanical property of the composite resin, and reduce the polymerization shrinkage. Pulse mode. Light intensity 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter, and it cannot be adjusted. Long press S to enter curing time setting menu. Press S to select curing time. 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. Press on-off switch to save the setting. The output light intensity is 1000 milliwatts per square centimeter, and flashes every 1 second. Detect mode. Light intensity 600 milliwatts per square centimeter, and it cannot be adjusted. Long press S to enter curing time setting menu. Press S to select curing time. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds. Press on-off switch to save the setting. It can be used to detect caries by a fluorescence effect. This mode is suitable for detecting dental calculus, caries, cracks, and etc. Press on-off switch to start working. Long press on-off switch to turn the device off. In the power-off state, press S and on-off switch simultaneously to enter advanced setting. Press on-off switch to select the automatic shutdown time. 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Press S to enter volume setting. Press on-off switch to select off, low, mid, high. Press S to enter hand setting. Press on-off switch to select right hand or left hand. Press S to save. Remove the protective light shield and light source head. Wipe all the surfaces with a cloth lightly moistened with medicinal alcohol for disinfection.